Hey guys, what is up? So welcome back to a brand new video. So I thought that I'd just show you how. So I've got a marine tank, yeah, saltwater tank. The filter just broke. So I decided I want to try and make a filter for under the price that the filter that just broke costed. So the filter that I broke costed $30. So let's try and beat that price. So this is what you'll need: one of these, screw top to go on top of it, cap, two of these. Like I use them like to make kind of like DIY bulkheads, like, if you know what I mean. Screw one of them on. Screw one of them on. I mean, so now you got two DIY bulkheads. Pretty cool. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these actually. So 6 15mm ones of these. So they're just corner pieces. So I've got one piece of 15mm pipe. This is actually for refrigeration. Got it nice and cheap, so that's pretty. And some 90mm pipe, because that's what I bought the parts for. Didn't want it super big because, you know, I haven't got the biggest tank, but it's a meter of it, so probably gonna do not quite a foot. Probably gonna measure up against the tank. So that's what I'll do. So here we go. Got the pipe. Didn't cut it super long just because of the size of the tank. So this. That's all I'm gonna cut it to. So let's get started.